Good night, Papa Nagini. You miss school yet? Long pico hydro, micro hydro. Now, but me talk long 2 plus something. Here, Tambolo here, gauge pressure and liquid pressure. Liquid pressure and also hydrostatic pressure. Hydrostatic pressure. So, you may go lo here. Now, you look at me drawing on the tank lo here. Pipe come down, go down no turbine. You got one the pressure gauge low here. So pressure gauge low here. Now here you come low here meet or liquid pressure. So liquid pressure is based on the height. Height here may come down low here, H. So basically this is the H here, H. H here, M, this will come down there. The vertical height. Because the weight belong water, weight belong here. And by creating the liquid pressure, which is static pressure. Static pressure and by establishing time you put in on the pressure gauge low here, low pipe. All get a system of hydraulics or what I got but a gauge. So you work is him one black and reading low here. Time you read him, this la reading low here. Me point him come low here. Now this is the gauge pressure. You need to understand that gauge pressure. Time you put in pressure gauge low here, you read him gauge pressure. Now this la reading low here, gauge pressure is equal to liquid pressure plus atmospheric pressure. You have to add atmospheric pressure plus liquid pressure, which is based on the hydrostatic head and minimum some weight blow water on top of here, give you this the head pressure. Now that reading there with here, this one now some 10 kPa. 10 kPa, I mean minimum it is the reading based on liquid pressure plus atmospheric pressure. So atmospheric pressure me talk finish here 101.3 kPa. Standard big man fix him na stuff you cannot change it. Same thing lo here density na gravity is fixed. Big man walk him na stuff finish you cannot change it. The only thing that is variable is head height. So Kisim men will blow me. Now you can read him. So basically, me summarize him again. Gauge pressure or gauge reading. Anti-produce like gauge pressure gauge. You by read him now plenty time na emit or KPA, but some like gauge low scale long all you by looking bar PSI, which is pounds per square inches, which is basically British units, and then kilogram per centimeter squared, which is the SI unit. But they are all the same. You can convert KPA to bar or KPA to PSI or PSI to KPA or PSI to bar or PSI to kilogram per centimeter squared. The tables are there. So here gauge pressure is equals to atmospheric pressure plus liquid pressure based on height. Now, reading below here will be kPa or plus kPa, we convert it to kilopascals, and then you get kilopascals. So basically, it will be in Pascal. So you divide it by 1,000, you get kilopascal. Get my training manual and start learning about pressure and pressure gauge. Thank you.